Laos and China are looking forward to boosting bilateral trade cooperation between the two countries in the years to come, especially the trade in the border regions.
Chinese Deputy Minister of Trade Gao Yan led a delegation of senior Chinese trade officials to meet with Lao Minister of Industry and Commerce, Madame Khemmani Pholsena in Vientiane. At the talk, Lao Minister of Industry and Commerce, Khemmani Pholsena, said bilateral cooperation between Laos and China will be able to play a crucial role in the economic development of the two countries. She also thanks to the government of China for allowing us to participate in the China Asean Expo or CAEXPO for more than a decade, which has helped us to be a part of the international stage. Meanwhile, Ms. Yan said trade between the two countries has increased annually and Lao agricultural products are attractive to the Chinese markets, adding that China is pleased to cooperate with Laos in terms of the exchange of a technical team to work with their counterparts and to deepen the cooperation in trade and economic affairs. Trade between the two countries exceeded 29,325 billion kip, or $3.61 billion in 2014, an increase of 31.87% compared to the year before. China was Laos' largest export market in 2014, accounting for 46.1% of all Lao exports. The value of Laos exports to China reached $1.77 billion, an increase of 73.56% on the previous year. Goods imported into Laos from China reached $1.84 billion in 2014, an increase of 7.13% compared to the year before. China represented the second largest source of Lao imports, accounting for 27.1% of the total. As of March 2015, Chinese companies had invested in 758 projects in Laos, totaling $6.6 billion, including joint investments with Lao partners. Of the 6.6 billion investments exclusively by Chinese companies amounted to $5.3 billion, making China the largest foreign investor in Laos. A recent seventh meeting between the two commissions also reviewed the financial assistance provided to Laos by China. In 2014 and 2015, China's financial assistance to Laos reached almost 2,000 billion kip, or 1.51 billion Chinese yuan. Of the total, more than 914 billion kip, or 700 billion yuan, was provided as grants, more than 261 billion kip, or 200 million yuan, as interest-free loans, while the remaining 806 billion kip, or 617.5 million yuan, was provided in the form of low-interest loans.